Today's lesson is all about how to talk about your hobbies in German. Do this lesson after you learned how to introduce yourself in German. This is the second video of the A1 German course. By the end of this video, you'll be able to say what you like doing, what you love doing, and what you don't like doing, using simple A1 phrases with clear pronunciation. Try repeating the phrases after me. Ich mag. Ich mag. Remember, it's not ich mag. It's a soft ich. I like. Ich mag. And then we'll use a noun. Use ich mag when you like doing a thing, an activity as a noun, or a category of things. Let's look at some examples. Ich mag Musik. I like music. Ich mag Musik. Remember that I in German is pronounced like an E. Musik. Ich mag Musik. Ich mag Sport. I like exercise. Ich mag Sport. Instead of Übung, which is the word for an exercise, like a grammar exercise, Germans use the word Sport, which sounds like English sport, to mean exercise. So don't get these false friends confused. Ich mag schwimmen. I like swimming. Here we're talking about swimming as a noun, as an activity. Ich mag schwimmen. I like swimming. Ich mag schwimmen. Remember that all nouns are capitalized in German, so you want to use a large S, schwimmen. And what if you want to ask someone about what they like? Use this question. Was magst du? What do you like? Was magst du? Was magst du? Let's practice saying what we don't like. Ich mag nicht. I don't like. Ich mag nicht. The formula we're going to use is ich mag plus the noun and then nicht. For example, ich mag kochen nicht. I don't like cooking. Ich mag kochen nicht. Ich mag putzen nicht. I don't like cleaning. Ich mag putzen nicht. Ich mag Spinat nicht. I don't like spinach. Ich mag Spinat nicht. Now this is just one way to say you don't like something. You can also say, ich mag kein Spinat. I like no spinach. Ich mag kein Spinat. And remember, again, with the I, if you're an English speaker, you might tend to say Spinat. It's Spinat. Spinat. Remember, the German I sounds like an E. Spinat. Not Spinat. Spinat. Ich mag lange Autofahrten nicht. I don't like long drives. Ich mag lange Autofahrten nicht. Or ich mag keine lange Autofahrten. I don't like any long car drives. Ich mag keine lange Autofahrten. Ich mag Regen nicht. I don't like rain. Ich mag Regen nicht. All right, moving on to section 2. You're doing really good, German learners. we're going to look at the next sentence structure, ich and gern. Here we're going to use I like to plus a verb. First, we learned how to say what we like doing as activities that are nouns. Now we're going to say what we like with verbs. So use gern when you like doing something. You put gern after the verb. Practice with me. Ich schwimme gern. I like to swim. Ich schwimme gern. Ich schwimme gerne. Ich schwimme gern. Ich lese gern. I like reading. Ich lese gern. Ich lese gern. Remember the German S sounds like a Z. Lese. Our next example, ich koche gern. I like to cook. Ich koche gern. Now, what if we want to ask someone, was machst du gern? We can ask them what they like doing. Was machst du gern? What do you like to do? Was machst du gern? Now, let's look at a quick comparison so that you don't get mixed up. Ich mag Fußball. I like soccer. Ich mag Fußball. Ich spiele gern Fußball. I like playing soccer. Ich spiele gern Fußball. Ich mag tanzen. I like dancing. Ich mag tanzen. Ich tanze gern. I like to dance. Ich tanze gern. Let's talk about what you don't like doing, using ungern for things that you don't like. We'll use ich, our verb, and ungern. Ich tanze ungern. I don't like dancing. Ich tanze ungern. Ich jogge ungern. I don't like to jog. Ich jogge ungern. Ich putze ungern. I don't like to clean. Ich putze ungern. Ich streite ungern. I don't like to fight. Ich streite ungern. Now I have a quick tip for you when we compare these different forms. For example, ich mag Schokolade. It means I like chocolate, which is a noun. Ich mag Schokolade. Ich mag Schokolade nicht. I don't like chocolate. Ich mag Schokolade nicht. Ich esse Schokolade gern. I like to eat chocolate. Ich esse Schokolade gern. Ich esse Schokolade ungern. I don't like to eat chocolate. Ich esse Schokolade ungern. And remember, in German, there's only one present tense. In English, we have two. I eat and I am eating. So in German, the simple present tense is the same for both. So that's it, German learners. Now you know how to say what you like and don't like in German. I hope you enjoyed this German lesson. And if you want to continue learning A1 German, watch this next video. You can also go to mygermanizelife.com for more German learning resources like flashcards and interactive exercises. Bis bald, German learners. Auf Wiedersehen.